Hi, I'm Mike Vanzetta. I've been in broadcasting for over 20 years, and when I started, everything was super expensive. All the cameras, everything. Now it's not like that, and anyone could create some great high quality content. And what I do now, a lot of people come up to me with my new setup asking me, where did I get it? What is it? And give me compliments about it. So I know I'm onto something. So this is what I use, and it's under $100 connecting all this together. So this is what I use. I use a newer stabilizer, and then you put the iPhone there. So I'm just using iPhone, and the quality is great. Then I have a Muvo stick mic, boom mic here, and then King Best light here. So then my whole setup, there's a light, look at that. Ooh. So this is my whole setup. I have an adapter here, this little thing I got on Amazon that you connect your mic to your iPhone. And then I shoot stuff, and the quality is great. If you watch any of the videos on this YouTube page, you'll see the quality. And what I do really is I just touch up the color correction on Premiere. But other than that, the quality of the iPhone, you could create great documentary looking things. And that's what I have done. And, you know, anyone could do it. And with this, it looks like I have, you know, very smoothness, and and I don't. So I'm a little shaky. But with this, you could create big tilts, pans, all of it. So this is my lifesaver. This is how I could shoot stuff and create a whole over 100 pieces of video with very little cost. So want to be like me? Create something like this, or if you want to learn more, just let me know.